In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use unicorn powder or other effect powders with regular nail polish. To get started, I'll be using a peel-off base coat, but if you're doing this at home, go ahead and start with your favorite base coat. Next, apply a layer of regular nail polish, and you might want to work just a couple nails at a time because you do need your nail polish to be sort of tacky for the effect powder to work. I'll be using unicorn powder, but this does work with other stuff like chrome and holographic pigment as well. So wait until your nail polish is tacky to the touch, but it does leave a small thumbprint or imprint when you touch it. Then pick up some of the powder on your fingertip and dab it over the entire nail until it's covered, and then lightly buff it in. I like to use my finger for this so that I can feel how much pressure I'm applying. Once all the powder is buffed in, I like to use my clean finger and give it one more good buff, and that will really bring out the unicorn effect and smooth down any pigment that's still sticking up. If the edges of the polish dried before you get powder on them, don't worry, just apply a little more of your base color, let it dry till it's tacky, and then you can apply the powder over top. To preserve that cool duochrome unicorn effect, you will need to use a water-based top coat. This could either be a foil top coat, or you can even use a peel-off base coat over top as well. Then once that dries, you can pop on a regular top coat to make your nails extra shiny. And that's it! If you give this a try, make sure to share a picture with me on my social medias, and if you'd like to watch a video that's similar to this, you can just click on your screen here.